Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on Pingduoduo, ticker symbol PDD. Before we begin, remember take a second to give the video like and subscribe as you greatly help out the channel. Do note that I do not provide any buy or sell calls, but focus on potential traps laid out by the market makers. Without further ado, let's take a look at PDD. So you can see that PDD is still trying to struggle its way through, and you can see that it's still far away from the clouds. So in the upcoming sessions, it seems that PDD will be likely to test the cloud resistance here. So when on the way up, the cloud will act as a resistance. On the way down, the cloud will act as a potential support. So obviously, you will see some struggles with PDD in the upcoming sessions. And not forgetting that Chinese stocks sentiments are very weak. Even the US stocks are currently very weak now. So where exactly are my potential supports and potential resistance for PDD? So you can see that PDD currently we are being rejected off this day conversion line. So you can see that this conversion line is currently at around 44.86. So this is constantly blocking PDD from trying to have more potential upside. And if we were to break down these levels once again, then PDD may look at this particular support here at around 39.30. So this 39.30 is a very, very crucial support for PDD. This 39.30 happened to coincide with some strong supports here back in somewhere in the second to third week of March here. There was some buying support here. So if we were to break down these 39.30 levels, then it may not be too good on PDD because we may see this testing of these lows of around this low on 16th of March was in fact around 35.64. So 35.60, 35.30 around these levels, we may see some stop hunting, perhaps around 35.10 to 35.30. May see some potential support coming in for PDD if this 39.30 were not to hold. And of course, this is essentially the last support. You can see that there is very much like a vacuum here. And there was a gap that needs to be filled all the way from $30 to $35. This was a very strong gap up from 15 to 16 of March. So that being said, I think currently the rate baseline is 39.30 acts as a very, very strong support for PDD. And also, just below the psychological support of $40, 38 to 39 would be a potential stop hunting, where the market makers deliberately try to look out for retail investors' stop losses. And if it gets triggered around 38 to 39, then we may see some potential upside ahead. So let's see where exactly are the potential upsides for PDD in the event that we can go back up once again. So you can see that this was the first wave up. So the first wave up here was quite a handsome, almost 140%. So the second wave, depending where exactly our 38 to 39 levels potential support coming in, then we may see another upside all the way to around 68, 69, which is pretty high for now. I think it's still too early to actually say where we will actually go to. I think more importantly is for us to hold critical support such as the $40 psychological support. In the event that those break down, then I'm probably looking at around 38 to 39 for some stop hunting. And not forgetting, we also have this cloud resistance to clear. So currently we are still on a downtrend because we have yet to clear this daily cloud resistance. So once we are able to penetrate through these clouds and then hold above this cloud, and once the cloud can act as a support rather than a resistance, then that would be a good outlook for these PDD stocks. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe as you keep the uptrend channel intact. Leave a comment below if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.